So we are, oh my God. So we are about to go for 320 meters and the boys are scared. So this is Hugo Del Rosario and this is Carlos Saldron and they have their scared faces on. Are you scared, Carlos? Are you seriously not scared?
Yeah.
So are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Hugo boy, are you ready for this? Oh, no, you'll have fun, boys. Come on, good luck. Bye. See you when I get there, okay? You guys go first?
Okay.
Okay.
Record mo na si ma'am.
So, Carlos and Hugo, were you scared when you were up there?
No.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
But were you scared when you were about to go?
Yes.
Okay, so what are we doing now? Come on, tell me.
Where's our brain?
Carlos, why are you leaving us behind? So, what are we doing now? Tell me, come on, because I can't talk.
Where's our brain?
Zorbing? What's zorbing? Is there such a word?
Yeah.
No, what are we doing right now, silly?
We're climbing.
Climbing what?
Upstairs.
Why?
I don't know.
So, where'd we come from?
From the zip line something.
Don't run, Carlos! What the? Stop running, okay? Okay, so tell me what we're gonna do next.
Go zorbing.
It's not called zorbing.
It's called zorbing.
It's not called zorbing.
Zorbing.
It's not called zorbing.
Zorbing.
Is it?
We're going to the hamster ball.
The hamster ball? No, it's a zorb, right? But it's not a verb. You don't say zorbing.
Zorbing.
Okay, say bye to me now.
Bye, zorbing.
I'm not zorbing, you silly boy.
Bye. Bye.